Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a very useful report that I use in Tally, the Sales Miss Report. This report gives you everything you need to know about your business in just one page. And yes, I've added green and red colors to show what's going well and what needs your attention. You can also see monthly comparisons side by side, which makes it easy to track your progress. Let's get started. So, what is an MIS report? MIS means Management Information System, a report that helps you take quick decisions. If you're a business owner, this report will show you how much you sold, how much is still pending to collect, how much you spent, how efficiently your team is performing, and the best part? You don't have to open multiple reports. Everything is shown in one screen, simple and clear. Let's go through each column one by one. First, total sales. This shows the total sales value for the month. If sales are more than last month, we show it in green. If it's less, we show it in red. This helps you check how your business is growing, month by month. Next, sales returns. This shows how much of your goods were returned by customers. If returns are high, it's a red alert. Maybe there's a quality issue or wrong delivery. If it's low, that's great. Customers are happy. Now, accounts receivable. This is one of the most important columns in the report. It shows how much money is still pending to be collected from customers, for the current month only. This is different from Tally's usual report, which shows total receivables till date. Here, we calculate receivable equals sales minus payments, received minus returns. This gives you a clear picture of how much collection is pending every month. Receivable percent of sales. This tells you what percentage of your sales is unpaid. If this number is above 50%, it means your cash flow is weak. You must follow up with your customers. If it's below 30%, that's great. Your collections are in control. Total expenses. This shows how much you spent in the month, including salaries, rent, purchases, etc. But expenses alone don't tell the full story. So we added the next column. Expense percent of sales. This shows how much you are spending compared to your sales. If expenses are too high, your profits will go down. This column helps you find problems early and save money before it's too late. Quantity sold. Here we show the number of units or cartons you sold in the month. This helps you see whether your sales team is improving or not. If quantity is going down, maybe marketing or pricing needs attention. Average unit or carton price. This is the average selling price per cartoon. If the average price is falling, maybe you're giving too many discounts. If it is rising, maybe you are selling better or premium products. This helps you with pricing decisions and product planning. Now the monthly comparison plus color coding. We also added side-by-side month view so you can compare sales this month versus last month, receivables percentage last month versus this month, expenses percentage trend, all at once. Green means good. Red means you need to take action. This makes it super easy to understand what's improving and what's going wrong. So, why should you use this report every month? This report helps you collect your money faster, control your expenses, push your sales team, avoid losses, and grow your business with confidence. Even if you're not an expert in Tally or Excel, this report makes everything simple and clear. So this is my customized sales MIS report. It's simple, smart, and super helpful. If you want this report in your business, just comment below or WhatsApp me on +91 9739 117900. I'll help you set it up in Tally or Excel. For more such accounting solutions, check our website in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful reports and business tips. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.